In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add highlights on Instagram without adding them to your story. So this is going to be a complicated process, but there's no other way to do this in 2021. So make sure you follow and yeah, let's just get started. Alright, so the first step would be to open the Instagram app and then go into your settings, alright? So you want to go into settings and you want to click on privacy right there. And then once you're here, you want to click on your story right there. Now, like I said, this is going to be a complicated and kind of annoying process because you would have to hide a story from your followers. So depending on how many followers you have, this might be really annoying or this might not be a problem at all. So what you need to do is click right here, hide story from, then click on that 0 people, and then on here you'll find all of your followers. Now this is a test account, so I only have 1 follower, and this is my other account, my other test account that I use to make these videos. But what you need to do is select all of your followers. So on here there will be a list with all of your followers. Right here you can then hide the story from all of these people. Now what you need to do next is pretty much go into your story and then upload a story, right? But because, let me just do add to your story, because you've actually been hiding these stories from your followers, no one will see them. So what you need to do is post a story, then wait 24 hours. So let's assume that right now it's been 24 hours, no one has seen it. What you can do is highlight, and by the way, you don't have to wait 24 hours. You just need to wait 24 hours before you unhide them. So you want to add this to your highlights. Now, because you've hidden these stories from all of your followers, no one will see them. So what you need to do now is wait 24 hours. Once those 24 hours are over, you want to go back to privacy, story, and then you want to unhide it so that they can actually view your stories again. But then you've posted it in your highlights and no one has seen it. So that's how you can do this. So like I said, it's kind of complicated, but yeah, there's no other way to do it. So yeah, if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would really appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.